What's up, guys? Doing a little unboxing here. Did already. Got the box open, but I haven't opened up the shoes yet. These are the Red Wing Classic Mocs. Got on Amazon. Never gotten a pair of shoes like these before. You know, I was told these are the kind of boots that your grandfather would buy. He'd go down to the shoe store, get those genuine leathers. They're super not comfortable when you try them on. You gotta break them in. You gotta take good care of them. They'll last you long time. Long time. Let's check them out. Yep. Definitely looks like a well-made boot. I chose to get these instead of the Iron Rangers more because I feel like these aren't the kind of boots I'm gonna be like, walking through the snow in, and these aren't like weather boots. These are just kind of like, fashionable boots for me. And I just kind of like the look of these. Oh yeah, that leather is tough. They're gonna take some time to break in. Nice. Well, I'm gonna lace these bad boys up and try to break them in a little bit around the house. Alright, well, thanks for watching my short little unboxing here. Hope you liked it. Have a great night, guys.